What's up, guys? It's been a while, so quick update. Same snap-on light, just beat block Bluetooth speaker, magnetic trays, streamline surround, few snap-on picks, impact driver adapter, tread depth gauge, mirror, pocket screwdrivers, drink, battery tester, quick code reader, gloves, snap-on 3/8 flex head, long handle, Milwaukee 3/8 non-fuel. I mean, I've had it for 2 years. It's been great. Milwaukee fuel 3/8 impact. The 6.0 has been pretty good. Spare battery. Most of my extensions, 1/4 inch locking, 3/8 locking, Mako, 1/4 inch flex head locking. This one I got 1/4 inch body, 3/8 head. Never thought I'd use it. Bought it and used the shit out of it. It's more snap-on 1/4 inch. Duralast 1/2 inch plain ratchet, Harbor Freight impact, extensions, some adapters, a couple of Torx bit, Allen, Hex head bit, random stuff, a vape, most of your socket, 1/4 inch swivels, chrome Harbor Freight quarters. That chrome one back there is an 8mm snap-on deep, and then 8 through 19 Matco 3/8 stubbies, ADV line. They've been good. Torx bits, Torx and internal Torx, snap-on deep swivels, 3/8 metrics, Harbor Freight 3/8 impacts 10 through 19. The 15 and the 18 are clutch from Northern Tool because they weren't in the set. I mean, I've used these for 2 years. They've held up great, besides being cheaper. 15, 18, 19, 21, 22, 24, and Husky Universal. Snap-on 10 through 19, 3/8 short swivel, impact swivels, Matco, little reach tool. Snap-on pry bars, a long 36-inch straight pry bar from Mayhew, TFPMS, blowgun. Specialty stuff, oil filter sockets, oil pressure sensor sockets, spark plugs, O2 sensor, screwdrivers, tear tool, radiator kit, little screwdrivers, long 3/8 locking extension from that set, 1/4 inch locking extension from that set, rounded bolt removers, Mac roll heads, snap-on 8 to 19 deep and short, some other random sockets, random wheel lock, the rest of that Harbor Freight set, rest of the sockets. Then back here I got snap-on chrome 1/4 and 3/8 extensions. Don't ever use those guys, ever. Wrenches, gear wrench straight, non-reversible, metric, Steelman Pros, double box hand, or double ratcheting, flex head, reversible, fuel line disconnects, trim tools, water pump, fan clutch, wrenches, 21, 22, 24, some cheaper brands, and 10 through 19, snap-on Franchise Plus, cheap auto parts, short foot, they've worked great actually, I haven't rounded nothing yet. Price, Matco set right there, some snap-on, these crimpers are Cornwell. I bought the OTC ones, but I like these better because they have the cutting edge up at the top. Some Nipex, two fit the hose pinch off pliers, some vice grips, Harbor Freight. Long needle nose, 90 degree. Sparkle sockets, post clamp pliers, oil filter sockets. The rest of that blue point bit set. Fluke 87, random fuses, tape, test light, UV light, extractors and drill bits, and a bunch of random relays and some other drill bits. Snap-on 3/8, digital torque wrench with tick angle, macro 1/2 inch, torque wrench, digital with tick angle. Snap-on 1/2 inch, snap-on 3/8, macro 1/4 inch ratchet, rear ratchet, grease gun, C-clamp, Harbor Freight cutoff, wheel, macro silver evil air hammer, air powered fluid pressure tester, die grinder, Harbor Freight punches and chisels, they work pretty good, gear wrench, serpentine belt toolkit, jumper, 4-pound hammer, small ball peen, cheap dab blow, Milwaukee 1/2 inch 2767. That thing is a beast. Used to take off a lot of stuff I didn't want to come off. 1/4 inch hex driver, air gauge, an extension down there, some microfibers, and some rust finisher.